Hello, grade 10 students. In this video, I'm going to explain separating mixtures. How do we separate mixtures in 4 different ways? I hope you will enjoy the video, so pay attention. Start first with evaporation. Evaporation is when we want to separate homogeneous mixture, like for example, salt and water. And you know that when we dissolve salt and water, this kind of mixture is called homogeneous. Why homogeneous? Because the mixture is uniform, it looks like one phase. So how do we separate salt and water? Simply by evaporating water. We just like put salt and water in a dish and we keep it until it evaporate. You can see this on desalination cells also. The second one is called filtration. In filtration, here we separate heterogeneous mixture. What is meant by heterogeneous mixture is when two liquids don't form a uniform uh, uh, mixture. This means that we can see two layers. In this case, we have muddy water. We can use filtered paper and a funnel, and we put the muddy water. And after a while, you can see that the sand will remain at the top because sand particles are larger than the water particles. And third way in separation, it's called decantation. Decantation is when you have two liquids, and these liquids are immiscible, means they don't dissolve in each other. Like in this case, oil and water, for example. You see oil will be at the top and water will be down. Or we separate two different liquids of different densities. So we put this in this flask. It has two openings. So we remove the first liquid first from bottom, then we simply remove the other uh, liquid. And the last one is called decantation. Decantation, when we have liquid and solid together, like for example, mud. We keep a mud water for a while, for overnight, for example. The next day, you will see that sand will be down because it has a higher density, and you will see water will be at the top. Thank you for watching this part. Now let's move to distillation. Distillation is when we have two liquids, like for example, alcohol and water. In this case, these are miscible liquids. They can dissolve in each other. We can separate them easily. It's homogeneous mixture. So in this case, we use a distillation technique. The distillation technique is based on the boiling point. So we boil these two solutions. The one which has a higher boiling point, it will take more time to boil, while the other with lower boiling point, it will evaporate first. Then here we have a distillation tube in which the first liquid, which has a low boiling point, will be collected first. How? When it evaporates, it condenses because, as you can see here, cold water will move around this tube to lower the temperature. So by this way, we can separate the two liquids using this technique.